Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. This is going to be very crucial video for all the arcade participants because in this video we will be covering all the guidelines and the code of conduct released by the arcade support team. So recently in the post by the Yugali Mohite, we got this code of conduct list or the PDF which describes certain rules which are very strictly applied to all the arcade participants. आप सबने शायद already देख ली होगी, but I would be covering important points regarding this because this code of conduct may cause some trouble for you if you don't understand this policy. तो जो policy apply होने वाली है उसे ध्यान से समझना जरूरी है, otherwise आपको unnecessary panic होगा. Okay, so starting with the first thing that this is going to be applied for all the arcade participants, and arcade this time is not going to tolerate any kind of harassment. Speak up if you see or hear something. अगर आपको कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा देखने को मिलता है तो आपको बोलना है. Practice saying yes and to each other, but we have a zero tolerance policy for harassment of any kind, including stalking, following, deliberate intimidation, harassing photography. इस तरीके की आपको गाइडलाइंस दी गई है. You can check out. The main important part is that harassment should not be tolerated. Second thing is that given in this program, using scripts to complete labs and games undermines this purpose, giving an unfair advantage and diminishing the experience for others. So it's the biggest thing that making a lot of trouble in between the participant कि हमें scripts के यहाँ से यहाँ पर क्या मतलब है, what is the meaning of the scripts and how we can protect ourselves from this. So these scripts are the pseudo code. मतलब pseudo code क्या होता है? Fake codes which you run in the terminal while performing the lab, but those scripts do certain other tasks विच इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड टू द आर्केड प्रोग्राम. कुछ ऐसी वो स्क्रिप्ट रन कर देते हैं जो ऐसे टास्क परफॉर्म करते हैं जो कि हमें लैब में नहीं दी गए हैं. सो डोंट वरी, दीज स्क्रिप्ट्स आर द स्यूडो कोड्स विच इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माई सॉल्यूशंस व्हाट आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग. ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट, बट मेक श्योर you don't use any kind of malicious script or the malicious pseudocode, and so you don't have to worry about this. Is simply about the pseudocodes. Okay, so you are not using it, and बस ये वो कोड होते हैं जो अदर टास्क परफॉर्म कर देते हैं कभी कभी टर्मिनल में रन होके जो आपको लैब में गिवन नहीं है. ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. जस्ट सिंपली रिलैक्स and ignore it. Don't ignore it, just make sure that you don't use any illegal or any malicious script or the code. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it right now. The second thing is the most of the participants are asking, can we participate with the multiple IDs? So the strict answer is please don't participate with the multiple IDs because it's giving an unfair edge for the other participant, and those who are sincerely participating it in would be diminishing the experience for other. Okay, so आपको ध्यान रखना है मल्टीपल आईडी से पार्टिसिपेट मत करो. फिर भी अगर एक दो आईडी से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो तो मेक श्योर देन प्लीज कीप योर नंबर्स डिफरेंट. ओके, बट प्लीज डोंट पार्टिसिपेट विद द डिफरेंट आईडी. ओनली यूज वन आर्केड आईडी. ओके, बिकॉज आर्केड इज नॉट गोइंग टू टॉलरेट एनी काइंड ऑफ misbehavior this time. Okay, so these were the major problem or the code of conduct we need to keep in our mind. Also please keep your time completing the labs. आपको एक टाइम में ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने की कोशिश करना है और उस पर समझो क्या गिवन है, टास्क को परफॉर्म करो अच्छे से. ओके, एंड प्लीज स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन द लैब्स. ओके, दैट वुड बी अ पर्सनल टिप फ्रॉम माई साइड. ओके, so I cover a lot of things about this. The two things was you don't need to worry about the scripts. These are the pseudo codes, but you have to remain careful about the pseudo codes. Okay, the second thing is please don't participate with the multiple IDs. Okay, so yes, I covered a lot of things. So if apart this you have any question in your mind, you can definitely ask me in the WhatsApp group or in the comment box. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good, bye.